Imagine making $200 a day with just a few clicks on your laptop. No office, no boss, and you could be sitting on a beach in Hawaii while the money rolls in. Sounds unbelievable? Let me show you exactly how it works. This is a side hustle no one's talking about, and with AI, it's easier than ever. Let's get into it. You've probably seen tons of videos where some guy promises you hundreds of dollars per day with some side hustle. But by the end of the video, you're still exactly where you started. But this video is different. Why? Because the side hustle I'm talking about has had a massive upgrade thanks to AI, and no one's really talking about it. Before AI, it used to take days of work and hours of manual effort. Today, a few simple prompts can replace all of that. And the best part? It's just getting started. Every single day, hundreds of thousands of potential customers are entering this market, and I'll show you how to turn that traffic into real money. So, what am I talking about? I'm talking about selling websites to businesses. Like I said, back in the day, web designers would spend days or even weeks building a single website. But in this video, I'll not just show you how to build websites in just minutes using AI, but also how to find your very first client fast, so you can start this side hustle as fast as possible. Okay, let's first talk about how you can create the website with AI. To create an AI website, you're going to go to Replit.com or click the link in the video description. If you use the link, you'll get $10 worth of Replit coins so you can build your first few websites for free. After creating your account, you'll end up here. This is the prompt box. Let's say you have a client in Boston who has a plumbing business. Then you're just going to type, "Build a modern website for a plumbing business in Boston." Then Replit will ask you for more specific instructions, and you're just going to tell it what you want. In my case, I want a combination of these, and everything besides basic team information. Then choose Start with the Design so you can still change things on the website if you don't like it. Okay, after 6 minutes, this is what it came up with. As you can see, the website looks very good already. There's a Services tab, a portfolio of previous work, reviews, pricing, and a contact form. Since my client just wants a demo of what I can build for him, I'm just going to leave it like this. If you are not satisfied with what Replit built for you, you can just click on Keep Iterating on Design. Then you can tell Replit what you want to change. For example, make the buttons red or add a Q&A section. Replit simultaneously made the website in mobile format too. Here's how that looks like. You can see AI change the industry completely. It literally took 6 minutes for it to create this almost client-ready website. But with no one that buys it from you, this is useless. So now I will show you how to find clients. To find clients, you first go to Google Maps. Then you're going to search for a local business like carpenters, painters, coffee shops, and so on. In my case, I'm going to look for plumbers. Now on the left side, you can see a bunch of businesses. Some already have a website, others don't. If you want to know how to source out every business without a website so you have a clean list of businesses to call like this, I explain that in this video. Okay, now you don't have to do anything besides picking up your phone and calling these businesses. And that's it. You call them, you build the website, and you collect the payment. But before I end this video, let's quickly talk about the price and payments of the website. I would recommend charging a monthly price of $100 to $200. Small businesses don't have the financial stability to spend big amounts at once for a website, but they're willing to basically rent the website from you, because they only need one client from the website per month, and it's already worth it. And then they will stay your customer for years. And now imagine you have 15 clients. Not 50, not 100, only 15 clients. That's already a stable $1,500 to $3,000 fixed income for you. So if you'd rest for 1 month, you would still be making this money. Okay guys, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. Like and subscribe to see more insights in this business. See you in the next one.